Selecting the right flooring for your home is a major investment that balances aesthetic beauty with the practical needs of your daily life. Welcome back to VA Mortgage Specialist, where we help you weigh the pros and cons of every finish in your new construction or renovation project. Real hardwood remains the gold standard for resale value and timeless elegance, though it requires more maintenance and can be sensitive to moisture. Luxury vinyl plank, or LVP, has become the most popular choice in 2026. Because it is 100% waterproof and incredibly resistant to scratches, for high moisture areas like bathrooms and laundry rooms, porcelain or ceramic tile is still the undisputed champion for durability and ease of cleaning. Many modern homeowners are choosing a hybrid approach by installing hardwood in main living areas while using matching LVP in kitchens and mudrooms. Engineered wood is another excellent middle ground option that provides the look of real timber with much better stability over radiant heating systems. Visit VAMortgageSpecialist.com to see our 2026 flooring durability chart and subscribe to learn how to choose the perfect foundation for your home.